वेलकम टू एजियाना स्टेनो क्लासेज। मैं रमेश चौहान। एक्सरसाइज 3, 80 वर्ड पर मिनट डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट। It has been noticed that the submission of pension papers of the head of the department for administrative sanction to pension with reference to a concept of approved service, though this is largely a formality in the vast majority of cases, nevertheless lead to a good deal of delay in the finalization of pension cases. Stop. It has therefore been decided that the requirement of an administrative sanction to pension, which is referred to in a number of places in the Punjab Civil Services rules, should be dispensed with. Full stop. The determination of pension will hereafter be merely a matter of calculation, and the pension papers need not be submitted to the head of department. Full stop para. However, the intention behind the provisions of the Punjab Civil Services rules, under which less than the full admissible quantum of pension can be granted after a summary procedure in a particular case on the grounds of unsatisfactory service or conduct, is not proposed to be given up. Full stop. Recourse to these provisions will obviously be had only in exceptional cases, and for this purpose it is not considered necessary to submit all pension cases to the head of the department for administrative sanction. Full stop. Instead, at the time when the preparation of pension papers is taken up, the head of the office should address a separate inquiry of the appointing authority whether there is any intention to grant less than full pension or to institute any proceeding. Stop. In the absence of a reply to this inquiry, the authority preparing the pension papers should assume that there is no intention to grant less than full pension and should process the pension papers accordingly. Stop. If, on the other hand, the appointing authority does decide that there is a case for guaranteeing less than the full admissible pension, the procedure laid down in rule mentioned above would be followed, and this process should be positively completed before the deadline for sending the pension paper to the authority responsible for issuing the pension payment order is reached. Para. Where the responsibility for preparing the pension papers rests with an authority other than the head of the office concerned, it shall be responsibility of the head of the office to ascertain in advance from the appointing authority and communicate to the authority responsible for preparing the pension papers. Full stop. Where no such intimation has been received, the authority responsible for preparing pension papers will process the pension case on the assumption that full admissible pension is to be granted. Para. If after the pension papers have been forwarded to the office responsible for issuing the pension payment order in accordance with the provisions, any event occurs which has a bearing on the amount of pension admissible, the fact shall be promptly reported to the office responsible for issuing the pension papers. Full stop para. The contents of this communication may please be brought to the notice of all concerned, and necessary clarification may also be incorporated. Para close.